Chris Bailey in the Navigator Cup. AMS Queen of Hearts, AMS King of Hearts, Michigan King. All right, Monkey Bear. They're driving their pistol marathon. Coming on.
The Devil went down to Georgia. He was looking for a soul to speak. He was in a bind, but he was way behind. He was willing to make a deal. When he came across this young man sewing on a fiddle and playing it hot, and the devil jumped up on the hickory stumps and, boy, let me tell you what. I guess you didn't know it, but I'm a fiddle player too. And if you care to take a dare, I'll make a bet with you. Now, you play a pretty good fiddle, boy. The boy said, my name's Johnny, and it might be a sin, but I'll take your bet, and you're going to regret, because I'm the best as ever been. Johnny, I'll play every little hard, cause no boots in Georgia, and the devil gives the cards. And if you